I almost dropped it.
I want to do one more big bubble.
All right, we're gonna do one more big bubble, and then we're gonna give a shout out to your. You're just so awesome, Maya.
I'm always awesome. Yeah, like a possum.
Possums are awesome.
No.
Exactly.
No,
They're kind of scary, actually.
That's such thing.
A real yeah, a possum.
I just said a possum. I just made that up.
No, you didn't make it up. A possum is a real animal,
I
weirdo.
thought I made that up.
Yeah, really, Maya?
I'm sorry.
We're gonna pray for this girl. Ready?
Yep.
Dear Lord, Heavenly Father, please help my daughter have some common sense in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Look, Sophie prayed with me.
What's up, guys? It's the Cobb crew, and you know what we do.
It's Amaya. It's Joshua.
It's Alyssa.
It's Jeff.
And Jennifer.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. What's up, guys? It's the Cobb crew, and you know what we do. And today we will be teaching my mom how to make slime.
It's slime time.
And today I got a special guest, Sophie. And
Let's get started. I've never made slime, so she's gonna be the one teaching me, you guys. And hey, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we post a new video.
Ding! Alright, so let's go. So she's gonna be my teacher and we're gonna see how good my slime turns out. And this is the very first time ever that I have made slime. These girls do it all the time, but I've never done it. So she's gonna teach me. Let's see how good of a teacher she is. Let's go!
The first thing you need is some glue.
Alright, I'm gonna do everything by myself. Tell me when to stop. Alright, so I'm gonna go first, because of course I've never done it. I'll just get her to tell me what to do.
You can add as much as you want.
So it just depends on how much slime I want to play with?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna stop there. That seems like a lot.
That's like a normal base.
Oh. Alright, so I got about a half a bowl. You can't really see it, but it's clear.
Hey, we're using clear, not white.
We're using clear glue. We have white glue, but we're gonna do clear glue with it. We got glitters, and I guess that's her activator. I don't know.
It is. Okay.
We're gonna use knives to stir the slime, I guess. I don't really like sticky slime, but she's my teacher.
I love sticky slime.
Alright, so we all got bowls of slime. Who likes to play slime with slime, you guys? How many of you guys? Comment down below how many people like to play with slime. We're gonna move this out the way.
Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is add some glitter, and I want to choose this orange glitter. You can choose any one you want.
I think I want green.
You can add as much.
Actually, I should do red to match my shirt.
That'd be cool.
No, red and green Christmas colors, even though it's over. Does it matter how many I put in there?
No, you can buy as much as you want.
Whoa, check it out, guys.
I'm not gonna put a lot there.
You're not? You stirred up? You're not telling me what to do. I'm
And
just
then,
watching it. Ooh, that's pretty.
that's super pretty. So he added this glitter.
Look, guys, can you see it? Might not be bright. It might be too bright, the lighting.
It's so pretty. Look at mine,
She
mommy.
just made me make a boo-boo.
No, look at mine.
Ooh.
Okay, so the next time when you're finished with this, I gotta get the sides because it's so much glitter on the side.
Oh, yeah, I see glitter on my side of my bowl, too.
You gotta do it. Okay, so the next thing you do is add activator. It could be any activator, but we got brushes. You can add like Tide and all that stuff.
I did a lot of glitter, you guys. I want mine to be sparkly. I'm so sparkly. Who likes to be sparkly? Me.
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 Mine's got a lot of glitter.
All right, Sophie. Mine's gonna be the best slime. You guys, pause the video right now. And before we finish our glue, you comment down below if you think Mom, Amaya, or Sophie's slime is gonna turn out the best and the prettiest.
But
What color did you use, Sophie?
she used this color.
Oh, gold.
Well,
She's trying to bling bling,
Well,
bling bling bling.
it's goldish oranges.
Oh. Okay.
And then, yeah, she already added some activator. But it's
You
not
already
gonna,
added-
it's not gonna turn clear at first. You gotta wait for a few days. That's how clear slime goes.
Oh, so what is it gonna turn into?
It's gonna turn white. Like, not
Wait,
white.
how much am I supposed to pour in there? A lot?
No!
Well, tell me.
A little at a time. Because if you add
Well,
a
tell me.
lot, Alright, that's enough.
Okay.
It's a lot.
I was about to pour the whole bam, man. And you just keep stirring?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And then,
Ooh,
like,
it's starting to get clunky.
yeah, like, it's so clunky and then
Clunky, chunky. Who likes chunky? And you just keep adding it until you like the texture?
yeah. And it
Mmm.
starts getting like this.
You know what it kind of looks like?
What?
Like Jell-O.
Oh yeah.
Is the activator what smells like that?
No. It's the glue.
Yeah. Kind of stinks, y'all. Smells like glue.
It smells like.
Who used to eat glue when they were kids? Come on, be honest. Nobody ever ate glue? I'm the only one?
You see glue?
Just kidding. I don't condone that. Don't ever eat glue unless it's edible glue, because it's not good for you, okay? I do not condone dying. Ooh, it's getting chunky. It looks like somebody threw up in a bowl. It looks like snot. Doesn't it look like... Oh, achoo! And mine's green. Oh, that is funny. That is funty, y'all. Funty.
Oh, it's so pretty.
I feel like I'm cooking something. Oh, I am. Slime. It's slime time, baby. All right, I need the activator because I don't think mine's activating. Mine's just procrastinating. That was kind of funny. Oh, I put a lot. Oh, gosh. Mine's going to be hard. Who likes sticky glue? What's your favorite glue that you like? Out of all the glues that glues. Wait. Rewind. What is your favorite slime to play with? Because I know there's different kinds. Matter of fact, tell me what kinds for all the non-slime makers like me.
Clear slime, white slime, fluffy slime, butter slime.
Is there edible slime?
Crunchy slime, edible slime,
You would not eat this, you guys.
edible slime.
I think you use that with like marshmallows. Ew, it's starting to come together. Can you eat this?
No.
Just kidding. Don't condone that.
You just said don't eat glue. That's the same thing that's in it. And borax is in this.
Borax.
Oh, no.
That's what the activator is.
And y'all don't
What other kind of activators can you use in slime?
Tide, Gain,
So all detergents.
baking soda.
You just spit on me.
Okay.
I got spit juice in my slime.
See, it's gonna turn like this. Like this, the color's gonna turn into.
Ew, it looks like you blew a booger in there. Is it gonna change clear though and all you can see is glitter in a few days?
Yeah.
We're gonna show you guys in a few days what our slime looks like. Yes, we are. Oh, yes, we are. Am I done or do I keep going?
Mommy, you gotta be able to like poke it.
It's not pokey yet. Mine's still very wet. No, I need some more activator. Pass it on over. Rover. This gum is good. I'm eating juicy fruit.
Something's wrong with you, Mama. This is not about gum.
This is not about gum. This is about slime time.
Ooh, look at all this slime.
Yay, slime.
Your slice not activated.
Why? What am I doing wrong?
It look like that though. It look liquid.
Yeah, my slime is fast enough. My hand's getting tired.
Look at my slime, it's working. Mine is too.
Give me the activator. They're laughing at me. You see how they do me?
Look at my slime.
Comment down below if mine's really a good teacher or not.
I am.
Because I feel like mine's not doing nothing. Mine look like soup. I'm at a soup kitchen, guys. I'm serving the homeless some soup. Because this sure ain't turning into slime. And why do you have to add just a little at a time? Why?
Because if you don't, then it'll turn like really hard.
Like a brick?
No! Like where you can't play with it that much. Like, because some
So like
people...
putty.
Yes. It won't be slime. They're just like...
Oh, well, somebody's activating up in her. Don't you see? Don't you see? Ooh. Ooh, chihuahua, chihuahua. My hand gets tired. Oh, theirs is looking real good. Hold up, y'all. I gotta catch up.
Hold up. I'm gonna take off my scrunchies. I need to take off my scrunchies. Oh, me too.
Ew. Look at that, I'm a pro, yo. Y'all don't know?
You're not even a pro. This is your first time.
What other cool slime videos you want to do? You tell us in the comments down below what kind of slime you want us to make. Because this is just a standard clear slime with glitter in it, I guess.
It's slime. You said, teaching you how to make slime. So
Yo, mine's still wet. I need some more activator.
Your slime is not going good.
Wow, she's not a very good teacher. She's over here hating. She's a haterade.
Look, Mom.
Hers is already doing home. Mine ain't doing that. You're already playing with it. So messed up, y'all. They just don't care about their mammy. They don't care about their mammy. I'm glad it's such a joke to y'all that mine looks like snow cream. My hand's too tired.
It's not gonna turn into slime.
It's not?
Mine is. I don't know. Let me help.
No, I'm doing it by myself. I am a leader of the Maneaters. She's still doing hers. Hold on. We about to activate it. Hold on. We about
Mine's
to
finished, guys. See, look.
Wow. Whoa. I'm jelly. Like the Manellis. Do I need to just use my hand? I think I just need to
Go on with your hand. That's what happened to me. Mom was doing that and I just went with my hands. What? Oh, you need it.
This is not working. What the heck? It's so sticky. How am I going to get it on me?
Look at this, is not stick. Oh.
I need some activator, bro. Holy tamale, bro. Maybe if I go like this.
Mine's the only one that's finished.
Slime time, baby!
I love this new backdrop. It's so pretty.
I know, I got this for my baby for Christmas because she loves to slime it up, slime it up. I need some more activator in my hand. Yes, I do.
I think it's because you're not adding enough. You probably added away a little bit. Let me clean out my bowl now.
Oh my gosh! I feel like a kid again. That's got a lot of activator and slime stuck to my hand and my arm and everywhere else. Oh my god, it's getting everywhere, guys.
You just took a shower too.
Oh, hers is perfect. Okay, I need some more activator. This is just
Mine's
not working. Okay.
Mine's coming together. Yours is working. Oh no, that's yours. I'm finished, guys. So
really, hold on. No, I need more activator. We cannot let this happen. We cannot let moms be a fail. Okay, you were supposed to be teaching me how to be a pro, and I feel like all I'm doing is just making a mess. I think she's giving me fake activator, and they must got something in their pocket that they haven't told me about. They're hiding something from you guys. Okay now. I don't know, my first.
I think I know why your hands are probably hot.
Hot like fire.
Like a pop.
Like a pops in the socks and the tops, yo.
Look at Sophie's. Look, Mom. Look, Mom. Mom, look.
I'm so jelly right now.
I'm
okay, I got this. Hold on.
And look how clear the when I make my bubbles it's gonna be. I can see the camera from right here.
Okay, it's really stuck on me, guys. Help!
You need help?
No! I need some activator. I'm getting tired. This don't work. How is hers so awesome? And mine looks like it's like
mine
looks like snot.
Hers are like toothpaste.
I shouldn't have stuck my hand in it yet. We weren't ready for all that, y'all.
My hands are getting tired.
Me too, girl. Oh, snots.
That's funny.
You know what's not funny? And it's how I'm not gonna be able to get this off my hand.
That is funny.
Okay, wait a minute now. I think it's starting to like, I don't know now. Get really sticky. Maya, why is your bowl so clean?
My bowl's better get clean.
This is funny.
Okay. And
I'm gonna get my bowl clean. You watch.
my bowl's like so clean.
It's like literally so exhausting, you guys. Hey, if you need an arm workout, just make slime with your kids.
Oh, I want more orange. Mine looks like pink.
Okay, now hold up now. I think I'm stuck.
You guys, I'm adding my glitter. You need help. Dang. Grab brother at it. That's my hands.
Her hands are all pretty. Like she's like, it's all over everywhere. I can't get it all. I can't get it all. It's frustrating
Do
me.
you need help?
Why is yours so pretty?
Do you need help? Am I? Okay, neither one of y'all is working right now.
Rude.
No, I better just play with my slime. There we go. Why would you put it in your bowl? Oh, to get all this stuff off.
Cause I'm.
Get it off my hands.
Oh, will it mess up my clothes?
No. Vinegar, remember?
Okay, y'all.
Mine's working. It's sticky.
I think mine is starting to
yours.
become a slime time.
Yours is not even sticky.
I'm tired.
Me too. I got oh, look at my pretty swirl. I better make a really pretty swirl.
Oh yeah, look at this, y'all. I just made a ball.
Alright, I'm gonna make a swirl now. Okay. Look at my swirl, Mom.
Oh, it looks like a donut. Like a fancy donut. Okay, y'all. I think mine actually formed into slime.
Can I fill it?
Sure.
That's perfect.
She just gave me a good star. See? I'm not so bad after all. Okay, wait. Let me play with my slime. I gotta get it all off my leg.
I don't want green in my slime.
Rude.
What?
Get off my slime. I'm gonna clean up my table here. Get off.
I don't want green in my slime.
I don't want orange in. You just put orange in mine. It's slime. I have never. Oh my! This is my creation, you guys. Look at this. It's not stuck to my hands no more. I can actually grab the chunks off my fingers.
I want to carry something.
And look. Oh, listen to. Look at the fingerprints. Look at the fingerprints. Oh, look at the fingerprints. Oh.
Wait.
I'm awesome, and you know it. Thumbs up, Mom, for knowing how to make. Wow, yours looks super clear. Hold up, I gotta do that.
Wait, shh.
I gotta clean up my phone.
You just said you gotta do that. Wait, everybody be quiet. Mine.
Everybody, quiet. Shh. Somebody just spotted.
Mine's hard now.
Mine is too. How do we fix that? She's getting more glue. Oh, mine made a pop. Did you hear it? Oh, look, there's a bubble.
Oh my god.
It popped. I've never been so excited in my life. I actually created this all by myself. Yay!
That was a little bit too much.
I think mine's perfect. Don't we? I need some lotion. What happens if you put lotion in slime?
Make it soft. Here,
Josh, go get me some lotion, snotion. I want lotion, snotion. Maya, what do you think? Let me see if I can stretch mine like my daughter did. How did you do that? This is so cool, you guys. I am the best creator of the creators of all creators.
Oh, it's working. It's getting softer.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Mine's getting better. I might just put this on the table so it can be easier to work with. Okay, here we go. Well, this is pretty easy to work with, like I say all the time. Mine looks pink. Oh, mine's already good. And it's sticky. Mine is too. I want some lotion. Don't use it, it's mine.
No, use our bathroom lotion. Go around the couch and don't hit the camera, okay? We're trying to do slime here.
Oh my god, it's so nice. I keep thinking slime is in your hair, but it's not.
Look, y'all, mine's all pretty and green. I'm gonna make a swirl like a Maya. It did not turn out like her swirl.
That's ugly.
Rude. She's so rude. She's taking on my slime time, guys. That's on my arm. Let me get it off.
There we go.
The great thing about slime is once it gets unsticky, it actually is pretty cleanable with the slime itself.
Like, I don't know, like, how this is so fun to play with. Like,
It's so satisfying, guys. Josh is gonna go get me some lotion.
And me.
Just go around the back, Joshua. It's fine. I want lotion.
Glitter. I thought you said glitter.
I love my creation. I think I did good, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below how I did. Thank you. Got me some lotion, Josh. Josh said, hey, guys. I'm just going to squirt some in there like that and just roll it around in there. See, I know a little something. That's how you know my daughter like plays with slime all the time, because she told me lotion makes it a little bit more stretchier, so it doesn't have like that break like that. So the more lotion you put, it makes it stretchier.
Sometimes I put lotion in it because my slime stinks really bad.
Oh, you don't want it stinky? Well, this is gonna smell like your cocoa butter. If y'all want some lotion, there's some lotion right there. Okay. We just using the standard cheap old Suave cocoa butter. Got you smelling like your baby butt. Ooh, it's all smooth now. So cool. I'm gonna put some more. Mine's gonna smell so good. If I need to, after I take a bath, I just rub myself with my slime, guys.
Weirdo.
I made a mess with the bowl, but I think I can clean it up.
I just cleaned my bowl that quick.
Because you're just so awesome, Maya.
I'm always awesome. Like a possum.
Possums are awesome?
No.
Exactly. They're kind of scary, actually.
That's such thing?
A real yeah, a possum.
I just said a possum. I just made that up.
No, you didn't make it up. A possum is a real animal, weirdo.
I thought I made that up. Yeah,
really, Maya?
I'm sorry.
We're going to pray for this girl. Ready?
Yep.
Dear Lord, Heavenly Father, please help my daughter have some common sense in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Look, Sophie prayed with me.
Sophie actually prayed.
This is so much fun, you guys. You should, guys, if you have never done this with your kids, you guys, you should do it. It's so much it's fun once it activates. Hers made noise. Hey, can you make a bubble? I want to see.
Okay, I'm about to move the stuff though. But it's not soft enough to get a bubble yet.
Oh, you got to keep adding more lotion?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Well, let me go on and just squirt me some more, y'all. Squirt me some more.
Pass me the lotion.
Ah, she just stopped me, Sophie. You see that? How she just gonna take it like that? Take it like that. She just took it like that.
I'm gonna make a big bubble. So me and Sophie would make a bubble. Why is it on my side? I don't know. What is it? Oh, why is it on my side?
So what other slimes can you teach me to do, Maya?
A fluffy slime, but that's shaving cream.
Let's see if we can make a shape out of it. We're gonna do, let's see. I want us to make a...
Yes!
She made a bubble! Show me how to do it. I want to see, Maya.
So you do this. So you take a little part.
Okay, you take a little part and you throw it. Ah! I did it first time, baby!
You're so funny, right?
I made a freaking bubble! I can make a bubble like this. Watch this.
Oh my god, nobody care about your stupid one.
Made a bubble. Hey, we pushed the table, y'all. Whoa, let's slide her on back there, buddy. I made a bubble. Here we go. That one wasn't so great.
I'm gonna show you a big bubble.
Okay, you show me, girl. You show me. Go bubble. Slap your slime. Slap your slime. Everybody slap your slime. Your slime.
Can you make noise when you... Mom, try to make noise when you poke it.
Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah, I gotta make mine like yours. Why is yours so much bigger? Oh, because you added more glue earlier.
You're not supposed to hit the table.
Oh, okay, I got you.
I got it. I make a bubble napkin. So this is how I make my mouth. I spread it out.
Okay.
And I take a little piece.
Wow! Boing! That was awesome! What the what?
And wish I
I
won.
didn't even know a bubble could get that big, you guys.
It can get bigger than that.
Stop playing with your
You
sister
can make a
from another
mom. You can
mister.
make like a big.
Ho. We got to get on the bubble. We got to get on the bubble little. Oh, there's a hole. Look, there's a. I didn't do it. It was already there. She stuck her finger in the hole. My turn. All right. So my daughter said, get it all nice and.
Make sure it's soft.
Make sure it's light down.
Take a little piece from this part, like this much big.
This much big and this. That was an ultimate fail. Let's try that again, buddy.
Do this. Follow my lead.
Do this.
And that's good enough.
Okay.
A piece. And woo!
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna try that again. I'm gonna get one. Hold up. Her slime's bigger than mine, though.
That doesn't matter. It don't matter.
It don't matter? Okay. It was a little bubble.
Let me show you.
No, I did it. You just showed me with yours. I saw. Haha.
Everybody messed up on a bubble before. That's not my first time messing up on a bubble.
What the heck, yo? That's cool.
Wait,
Hello? Slime World.
I really thought you were gonna.
Hey, Josh, we're doing a video. That can pick up that. Yeah, don't. All right.
Wait. Let me help one.
No. I want to do mine. Oh, it messed up
And
already.
do this. Oh, God.
I'm the Incredible Hulk slime. It's green.
Mine's is like orange slime. Orange. A peach. Is a peach orange?
No.
What color's a peach?
No, I mean, like, it does look like a peach color, though.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're good at this. Try to make a bubble with my slime.
No, I want to make a bubble with my own slime. I want to make a bubble with my own slime. I want to make a bubble with my own slime.
Yay!
All right, here we go, baby. I got this.
Mom, were you going like this? Were you going like this when you were making the bubble? Like this?
I don't know. Wait, don't touch my
Were you
slime.
doing that?
I don't know what I was doing. I know I made a bubble.
Mom,
The camera never lies, baby.
but at first, when I told you to do this, were you going like this?
Well, you did it backwards.
I know, that's why I was asking, did you do it backwards?
No, I did it frontwards.
I can do it backwards.
I just saw you.
I can do a
All right,
big bubble backwards.
I'm about to do a swish, and a schwa.
Got it.
Ow, you hit me.
Well, you messed up my bubble. Even though it's still bubble, but well, I'm gonna make a really pretty
Oh,
swirl.
I see the glitter.
Oh, duh. Alright, I'm about to make a really pretty swirl.
Still pretty swirl, okay. How did you do that? I'm jelly. Wait, do it again. I gotta see it again. I gotta make this swirl.
Swirl it.
Hold it.
Like that. Do this. Do it
Swirl. Do it again.
again. Do it
Do it
again.
again.
And just hold it. Just swirl
Do it
it.
again. Do it again. Do it again. And then just swirl it. It almost did it. Not quite. Rude.
Y'all sound like the Grinch stole Christmas.
She's a hater. She don't like my green
I
slime.
do like it.
I like green, actually. Green brings out my eyes.
I did it backwards. Mom, this time I made a slime and I put my hand in the bubble and the bubble just stayed and it didn't do anything. I can do that, that's easy.
I can make a hot dog with my slime. You want to see?
You wanna see me?
Watch this.
Watch
Just
this.
take a chunk like
Take
this.
a chunk like this.
And you roll it like
Roll it
this.
like
and you
this.
roll it like that. Hot dog!
Hot dog.
Wait, mine's a limpy hot dog. Hold on, let's try that again.
Mine's a hot dog.
Yeah, that's about the size of a hot dog. Mine's a beef frank. Wait, I'm gonna make a hamburger hot dog bun. Watch.
Oh, me too.
Y'all want a hot dog? I got you.
And buns.
I'm about to make me a bun so I can have fun with my hot dog. That was a really ugly hot dog. And it just disappeared that fast.
Well, I think I know how to make my hot dog. I'm gonna do that. And I'm just gonna fold it like this, and then this, and this, and this, and this. And it's not gonna stay and stay and stay. And there goes my hot dog.
I almost dropped it.
I wanna do one more big bubble.
All right, we're gonna do one more big bubble, and then we're gonna give a shout out to your. Whoa! That should have been our thumbnail.
Yeah, that's gonna be our thumbnail.
We should try to make one more big bubble, and then do a thumbnail out of it.
Okay.
Make another big. That was an awesome one. And then Sophie, me and you, we go.
Okay.
Let's see if she can do it. We gotta have hope in Amaya. Everybody, stop and pray for Amaya. Okay.
Okay.
You can play with your.